Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna check out some more of your renders. Let me close out of that. Anyways, yep, I want to check out some more of your work. Let's see what you guys have for me. Hopefully I see some interesting stuff, and hopefully some of these impress me. But yeah, if you haven't, check out the store down below. Check it out, and if you are wondering about the name change, I don't know, I just felt like this is more. I just feel like this is a more versatile name, I guess. The videos will continue as usual. Alright, anyways, let's get into it, okay? First one, render but similar to the requested reference. Homeless, need help. So this is like a split screen, or is this supposed to be? Oh, it's a thumbnail. Okay, so homeless, and now he is suddenly rich. I do think it looks pretty good. Although, I don't know, could be a bit more dramatic. I don't know what, I'm not sure what this is for, like a game or a YouTube video. I think this one is pretty good. If this was like for a YouTube video thumbnail. Money please, and suddenly he's rich with, you know, a stack of cash and some gems. And he's has the noob outfit or the whatever. But yeah, okay. Craig Quatch, claim righteousness, final blow. Director, 3D specialist, voice actor, Michael B. Jordan. Really, final blow. Okay, so he has very broad shoulders. Those delts are capped out. He has huge biceps, nice chest insertions, abs. Okay, the hairstyle. It's an interesting hairstyle. I think the background could be better. It just looks very copy and paste. If you make the background darker and accentuate the spotlight on the character, I think that would change this a lot. And yeah, I believe that would drastically improve this thumbnail. It just feels like the background is not really contributing to the overall composition. So if you fix that, I think this would improve significantly. Anyways, welded clothing, gotta prefect this, which I like because I have that as well. Although the entire thing is just green. The character is green, the background is green, the text is green. You need some variation. Either I would change the background, I don't know, just something to add a variety of colors. So the entire thing is just, it's not just green. This one is an icon. This part is way too white. I can't tell what's going on here. He's a shark hoodie on and a scarf, but the top is just completely white. You can't see anything, so I would have fixed that. Change the roughness on the helmet. Forgot to post. Made this like 5 months ago. And this today. The character has to stand out. The background could be better. I think the text is okay, except for this little top text that I think is way too small. Okay, SCP Foundation Mobile Task Force. Mobile Task Force. I think the RGB look is pretty cool. This red slash is anti-copy. Once again, I think a darker background could benefit this icon, because when you have your background light, this bright, I guess, and it doesn't help the character to stand out. So if you had a more darker, more dramatic background, this character would benefit from that. But anyways, let's keep going. We have Z4. This is quite interesting. The lighting effects. Overall, I think this is pretty cool. I don't know much to say or critique regarding that. I think it looks pretty alright. My first GFX render use Blender and Roblox Studio. Rating please. Yeah, this is pretty good for your first piece of GFX. The infinite floor here is pretty good. The textures are alright. The clothing looks good. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Practice GFX, this took me a very long time to make. A military thumbnail, yes, it's pretty cool. I think the render is good. The textures are detailed and nice. I just think the composition could be more fluid. The effects could make this feel. The composition could just be more well put together. It seems pretty rigid, I guess. I don't know how else to describe it. Alright, so me personally, let's see what we can do. Now, I feel like this right here just helps a lot. This tiny little filter. This color lookup 3D LUTs right here. Now that is what I'm talking about. You see what I mean? The colors are just much better here. When you add these tiny changes, like this looks great. And I saw this little effects right here. This looks really nice. So you see that looks pretty cool. And as for the for the explosions, I don't know why my things changed here. Anyways, I think they should have a bit more lighting, I guess. Just kind of going around. Let's go on overlay. Looks pretty cool. And copy this. Make this screen, or screen is fine actually. Alright, so if we drag these down, this part I'm going to erase on the characters to preserve some of the texture so it's not overridden by the lighting. But okay, let's take a look at what we have so far. Before and after, you just needed some more color, some more orange. Let's go ahead and add a bit more lighting. I want to go for, let's see, the top here. Some shadows, boom. There we go. I feel like this entire part should be darker as well. Just make this little top part stand out. Just some more. As you can see, that changes the lighting direction, I guess. Okay, let's see if there is a couple more effects we could add. If there's none, it's completely fine. We could make do with some of these. Alright, this seems okay. I'm not lighten, I guess. Should be fine. I'm just gonna copy it one last time and make this into soft lights. Alright, and finally let us copy the original just to keep it for before and after. I will take all this and go into camera raw filter. This is where we will finalize this piece of work. Texture, I mean you can have texture up, but I think your render is already well detailed enough, so I'm actually going to bring this down so everything looks more aesthetic. It's just more smooth, as you can see. It's not so sharp, I guess. This to me just looks very sharp and harsh. So me personally, I like this. It's very clean, I guess. And you can also turn this up. And now we have a much better look, I would say. So right here looks pretty good too. We could introduce some of this, increase the whites here as well. Make this a bit brighter, and this looks pretty good. A bit of contrast. Nah, okay. Now for sharpen, you can increase this. That's fine. I'm gonna hit OK. And now, as you can see, this is our finished result. Here is the before with the explosions and this kind of scene. You need a much warmer type of lighting. This is very cold. And here is the after. So you can see just some color changes. I did nothing to your geometry, your actual scene, your models, because I don't have access to that. But just from one layer, from just what we have here and some color corrections, we have achieved this result, which I think is a lot better. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want more, subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want to see. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time.